Hello students, I am NK Jha from APS. Today we shall discuss the topic in details, Sayonara. Firstly, I want to tell you how much you have completed and how much you have improved. Check yourself through reading and through explaining. If you are not doing that, a lot of problem will be created in front of you and in future, and finally you will be fearful from study. So third chapter is Sayonara, and in this topic we have to read and we have to study about a Lindbergh, who was an American poet and aviator also. He was born in 1906 and passed away from 2001 in this world. In 1929, she married Charles Lindbergh, the first person to fly solo across the Atlantic. She got her glider pilot's license in 1930. It was a great achievement. She wrote more than 2 dozen works, from poetry to non-fiction. After Charles' death in 1974, she spent the next 25 years writing and editing her diaries for publication. It was a piece of work by Annie, and this is the hard work for her and great challenge in front of her after passing her husband, but she couldn't and she didn't lose their brain, and she faced it bravely. That was the dedication and that was the thought of her. So it was a piece of work and great work done by Annie Lindbergh. It is not the matter related with the issue only. The matter is related with the piece of work for Annie Lindbergh. So she had done it well, and she gave some information to the people of the world, to the students of class 8, how the Annie Lindbergh had faced such that situation after passing her husband Charles. So the chapter name is Sayonara, and Annie Lindbergh explained and had given some descriptions about Charles and herself. So how often have you parted with a dear one? You have to think about, this is the question for you. And you will have to explain how often have you parted with a dear one, कि जब तुम अपने प्रिय से अलग होते हो तो किस तरह की विचार, किस तरह के थॉट तुम्हारे मन के अंदर उत्पन्न होते हैं. You know very well these kinds of circumstances and these kinds of situations, and how to maintain this part. You will have to explain it according to the question, because A. Lindbergh wants to know your thought about how often have you parted with a dear one. Number 2, did you note the last word you said? That means you will have to explain also, you will have to memorize also about last word and what is told by you at last, and what was the last word of you at that time whenever you parted with a dear one. So it is must to explain, it is must for you, and you said in any language, and in which language you told or you have described about a dear one, you will have to notice that. Not satisfied with just the word, did you support your word with a or a text file? So what you are going to use and what you are utilizing, you will have to think about that. After thinking you are satisfied or not, you will have to express that feeling. If you satisfied, then you will have to explain. If not satisfied, then have to explain it also. In both circumstances, you will have to express your thought and your feelings. Okay? Pair up and share with a friend about the time when you last said goodbye to someone close to you. Pair up and share with a friend. That means you have to share such that word with your friend about that time when you last said goodbye. That means sayonara means goodbye. Sayonara means goodbye. And last said goodbye to someone close to you. That means तुमने अपने नज़दीकी को, तुमने अपने क्लोज साथी को जो है सो कब जो है सो गुड बाय कहा था. यू विल हैव टू explain it and you will have to think about it. So this was the very miraculous story and miracle thought of Annie Lindbergh in chapter Sayonara, and we have to study it, and through a study we can think, and we know about the passage, and what does the passage means, and what was the motive, and what was the mission to express Sayonara by Annie Lindbergh. This descriptive passage has been taken from north to the orient. It is related and taken from the north to the orient, and account of Charles and Annie Lindbergh's, and given about the accounts of Charles and Annie Lindbergh. That means about the diary, about the proof, and what was the proof, and in which language, and in which condition they depict it, and they express it, she expressed it. That means in trip. Trip means journey. That means this story begins with the topic journey and trip, and you can imagine also, because you are not a baby, you are not a little child. That means you are young, and that means you are teenager, and you can think about it if you remember such that trip. Okay, so you will have to express which kind of feelings you had on time of journey or traveling, and that journey begins to the far east in 1931 in China. Their plane got damaged in this trip. Their plane became damaged, got damaged, and they had to travel to Japan by boat. Plane was already damaged, and a lot of problem created in front of them. But they had to reach Japan. How to? reach Japan, this matter depends on them because both Charles and Lindbergh, Annie Lindbergh, were traveling. Okay, so you have to think about such that panic condition, such that bad situation, because this was not a short trip, this was very long trip. Across Japan by train and then by ship to the United States, and they had to reach in United States. This was the destination of Annie Lindbergh and Charles, and this story is an account of their journey across Japan. This story is an account, that means proof of their journey. उन लोगों के जर्नी के बारे में दिया हुआ है. Across Japan. Sayonara, sayonara. This was the statement. This was the talk. And sayonara means goodbye. And can you imagine when the people tells goodbye or people tells sayonara? When I mean to say, and according to your standard and according to your literature book, whenever you parted with a dear, whenever you parted with a close friend, that time your last word will be goodbye. So that type of words relates from sayonara. And I was in my stateroom, but I could hear them outside on the deck of Japanese boat. I was in my stateroom, but I could hear them. That means Annie Lindbergh is explaining the situation about the near the boat, which kind of situation and circumstances was happening there, creating there. But I could hear them. That means I can hear outside on the deck of the Japanese boat calling to friends and relatives on the deck at Shanghai. Shanghai is the capital of China, you know. और जितने भी बड़े बड़े शहर हैं आप अपने इंडिया में भी देखो, वो किसी न किसी बड़े नदी या समंदर के किनारे सिचुएटेड हैं. रीजन कि वहाँ जहाज़ आएंगे, वहाँ से जाएंगे, जिसको हम लोग पोर्ट कहते हैं. और यदि छोटा रिवर, स्मॉल रिवर अगर उस शहर के नज़दीक से गुजरता है तो वहाँ छोटे छोटे बोट आएंगे. तो उस बोट के उस प्लेस को हम लोग डक बोलते हैं. ओके, वहाँ मतलब बहुत बड़ा जहाज़ नहीं आ सकता, शिप नहीं आ सकता. हाँ, वहाँ उससे छोटा जहाज़ लाया जाता है जिसके माध्यम से सामान वगैरह, थिंग्स वगैरह, गुड्स वगैरह जो भी हो वो लाए जाते हैं और फिर उस शहर के अंदर जो है सो थिंग्स पहुँचते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस. एंड whenever and you feel at that time you are present on the deck, which kind of noise creating, and through that noise you can better understand about the journey trip and about the situation at Shanghai. सो उसके दोस्त लोग जो थे वो क्या कर रहे थे, अपने रिलेटिव्स को और फ्रेंड्स को जो है सो शंघाई डक पे बोल रहे थे sayonara, sayonara, Sayonara is the word relates from goodbye, up and down, and the gangplank and over the rails. A boatload of Japanese was leaving China for home as we were. Up and down is a phrase. Up and down means उत्थान और पतन, ऊपर और नीचे. The gangplank and over the rails. You have looked. शिप आपने देखा है? नहीं तो उसमें आप देखते होंगे कि रेलिंग लगा हुआ होता है और रेलिंग के सटे हुए कुछ इंसान खड़े होते हैं जो अपने रिलेटिव्स को जो है सो फ्रेंड्स को क्या कहते हैं? गुड बाय. अ बोट लोड ऑफ जापानीज वॉज लिविंग चाइना. जापान से चाइना की तरफ जो है सो बोट जाने के लिए तैयार थे और किससे? जापानीज से भरा हुआ था. वो बोट बिल्कुल जापानीज उस पर चढ़ चुके थे. ओके, तो बोट लोड ऑफ जापानीज वॉज लिविंग चाइना फॉर होम एज वी वेयर. जैसा कि हम लोग अपने घर को छोड़ चुके थे वैसे जो है सो चाइना के लिए जो है सो लोग बाग जापान से चल चुके. द ट्रिप ऑफ Sayonara and Lindbergh, and which express her views in front of you, and in next class we shall discuss it more and more, and how much we are understanding we have to think about that. Okay, thanks.